dito.
Mommy, do you want to know why? Do you want to know why there is 24 hours, but there's only 12?
Daddy, yan ang entrance. Parang ito ata yung ano nila, mag-check-in. Wala sila, they don't have lobby. There, they have restaurant. Daddy! Elevator, waiting for the elevator. And this restaurants. So what is this, Benny?
Restaurants. It's a restaurant.
This one is a game.
Can we play?
All these are gambling, and then there are some restaurants.
So here is a gambling and you have shop.
Even adults are playing them.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Push it. With Daddy, go talk to Daddy, not me. Go. Daddy know about everything. And have restaurant here. Restaurant. Some gambling. Still have gambling. Sa baba to ng Cosmopolitan. So, yan. Ang restaurant. Gambling ko dito. Ayan, mga gambling yan. Ayan. Ayan, mga gambling. Maybe you have to go straight. What is? Maybe you have to go up.
Either
way, it's fine. Oh, and going out right that way? Yeah. It would have just been quicker to go that way. I mean,
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at this. You can come back here later to take a picture.
Let's shop in Plaza.
Oh, look at this, beautiful.
I don't know anything.
You come back tomorrow for take picture.
No, we are here for 5 days. Every day you can come.
Yeah.
Even daytime. We are free daytime. You can move around the picture.
For not just alive. Wow, look at that. They have big shoes over there, oh. You're right also.
I want to. I know I want to.
Go to daddy, go to daddy.
I want to go there.
Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Another post. Stand up, stand up. Look at daddy. We come back here tomorrow. Come back here. We have to go walk around first and then we come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, we come back here again. Every day we have to walk here.
Can we at least have a break? Can we at least have a break from walking?
Yeah.
I mean, for a day.
Okay.
And also,
We have more doubt?
did we eat dinner yet?
Not yet. After this one. Daddy, look at here. Daddy. Daddy. Go, go, go. Hala, look at me.
I can't. I'm pushing it. So we can. And for me, I'm pushing. Oh yeah. It stopped. Thanks. Whoa!
So what else? We have to go up more? Later. Ah, overlooking. Ah, here.
I want to swim.
Huh?
I want to swim.
Ah, okay. It's closed. This is a swimming pool.
But it can open.
No, tomorrow. Don't push, hala. Shala.
It's already paid for.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Hala, you want to swim tomorrow?
Tomorrow after, whenever you have time. Because daytime or nothing else.
Yeah.